Jacqueline. Nice to see you here. I'm from Australia. Do you like cooking? I like cooking, but I don't like cooking dinner. I like to cook cakes and sweets. And I'd like to show you how to make butterfly cakes. They're very popular in Australia. 蝶々のケーキを作りたいと思う。オーストラリアの子供がよく食べるものよ。じゃあ、What do we need? 何が必要かな？じゃあ、We need cupcakes. And we need jam. We need whipped cream. We need powdered sugar. Yes. And what else do we need? We need a cutting board. We need a knife. We need a spoon. And we need a tea strainer. Okay, let's make the cakes. Okay. Take a cupcake, use the knife, and cut a circle from the top of the cupcake. Like this. Then cut the circle in half. Like this. Next, put some jam on the cake. Like this. Next, put the whipped cream on the cake. Whoa, nice! Then, these will be the butterfly's wings. これは蝶々の羽になるよ。Put them on the cream like this. Then, put powdered sugar into the tea strainer and decorate with powdered sugar. Then, if you like, you can put a little bit of jam in the middle to make it colorful. And this is your butterfly cake. It's very easy, don't you think? And it's also very yummy. So if you're staying at home, why don't you make some butterfly cakes? But when you eat them, remember to take off the paper. Don't eat the paper. 食べる前にね、紙がついてるから取ってから食べてね。じゃあ please enjoy! Thank you for watching!